Hello beautiful people, I'm Nancy Ogbebor and you are welcome to my kitchen. Hope you all are doing great. Today let's make this yummy rice porridge. So without further ado, let's dive right into the preparation. So on this day I have some leftover rice and my stew got finished, and I was thinking, what can I do with this rice? So I decided to try this recipe. If you like quicker oats recipe, you definitely love this recipe. Okay, so I'm transferring the cooked rice right into my blender. So you can decide to use raw rice and start to cook it afresh, but I just wanted to do this. So I added in my cinnamon powder, milk, water, nutmeg, and brown sugar. So I'm gonna blend this, and this is gonna quicken the process. So if you are using raw rice, all you need to do is wash the rice, add salt, and cook. If you have cinnamon stick, you can go ahead and add it too. Okay, after blending, I transfer the blended rice into the pot, and I'm gonna do this on a low heat. So I'm gonna stir everything together. And I added in vanilla flavor. Okay, so I added in powdered vanilla. If you have the liquid, you can add. Okay, so I'm adding in powdered vanilla flavor right now. So I'm gonna stir everything together to combine. This recipe tasted so good. So as I said earlier, if you like quicker oats, you definitely love this recipe. I want you to try it out and let me know what you think about it. So we're going to stir everything to combine together. And after this is how it's looking like right now. And it came out perfectly well. I really wanted to try out something with this rice recipe, and it came out real good. Okay, it's worth trying, and I want you to give a try to it. So you can go ahead to add any sweetener of your choice, maybe sugar or condensed milk. That will be fine. Okay, the taste was good. Thank you everyone for always coming back to watch me. I truly appreciate all your support, and I'm not taking your love for granted. Okay, so this was how it's looking. I'll see you in my next one. For me, it's bye.